In the silent expanse of the cosmos, where stars whisper secrets across eons, an unprecedented anomaly has shattered the tranquility of our solar system. A colossal object, measuring 100 times the size of the enigmatic interstellar visitor 3I Atlas, has suddenly materialized on the fringes of known space. But this is no mere wanderer. Its trajectory reveals a deliberate, predatory pursuit, closing in with unnerving precision on its smaller prey. Astronomers scanning the night sky with advanced telescopes first detected faint anomalies in the outer reaches of the solar system, signals that defied conventional explanations. Initial observations suggested a rogue comet or asteroid, but as data accumulated, the truth emerged. 3I Atlas, an interstellar object hurtling through our cosmic neighborhood at unprecedented speeds, was not alone. Discovered in late 2024 by the Atlas Survey System, this elongated body exhibited unusual acceleration patterns, hinting at outgassing or something more sinister. Scientists scrambled to model its path, only to uncover spectral signatures inconsistent with known cometary materials, traces of exotic elements that suggested an origin beyond our galaxy. As observatories worldwide aligned their instruments, the object's erratic maneuvers raised alarms. Was this a natural interloper or a harbinger of interstellar phenomena we have yet to comprehend? Delving into archival data from previous interstellar visitors like Oumuamua and Borisov, experts noted striking parallels yet profound differences, fueling debates in astronomical circles. The chapter explores the detection methods, from infrared imaging to radio telescopes, and the initial scientific response, painting a picture of a universe far more dynamic and unpredictable than previously imagined. But as the data sharpened, a larger shadow loomed on the horizon. What if 3I Atlas was merely the scout, and something far greater was following in its wake? Diving deeper into the enigma of 3I Atlas, this chapter dissects its physical characteristics and anomalous behavior. Measuring approximately 200 meters in length, the object displays a cigar-like shape, reminiscent of Oumuamua, but with a denser composition, inferred from its gravitational interactions with nearby celestial bodies. Spectroscopic analysis reveals a surface artificial probe scanning our system. Archival comparisons to known comets highlight deviations in its light curve, implying a tumbling motion that masks hidden features. As telescopes capture high-resolution images, faint emissions in the radio spectrum emerge, sparking theories of dormant technology awakening. This section investigates the methodologies behind these findings, from orbital mechanics to astrochemical modeling, underscoring the fragility of our understanding of interstellar nomads. Yet, amid the scrutiny, a disturbing pattern materializes in the data. Why do 3I/Atlas appear to be evading detection, as if aware of a pursuer closing in? As focus intensified on 3I/Atlas, an even greater mystery unfolded: the detection of a titanic companion trailing its path. First spotted as a gravitational perturbation in Neptune's orbit, this gigantic object, estimated at 20 kilometers across, 100 times larger than its quarry, materialized in deep space radar scans. Its sudden appearance baffled experts, with no prior indications in long-term surveys like Pan-STARRS or Gaia. Spectral data revealed a dark, absorptive surface that reflects minimal light, rendering it nearly invisible to optical telescopes and suggesting advanced stealth properties or exotic matter. Trajectory analyses show it entering the solar system from a hyperbolic orbit, mirroring yet amplifying that of 3I/Atlas. Scientists employ multi-wavelength observations to map its structure, uncovering irregular contours that defy natural asteroid formations, perhaps a conglomerate of debris or an engineered megastructure. The chapter examines the technological arsenal used in its discovery, including space-based interferometry and AI-driven anomaly detection, while exploring historical precedents of large interstellar objects. Debates rage over its mass, inferred from microlensing effects on distant stars, which implies a density far exceeding typical comets. As data streams in, the object's velocity adjustments become evident, aligning perfectly with 3I/Atlas's position. This raises profound questions about cosmic coincidences. But is this convergence mere chance, or the beginning of a calculated interception? Premiership. Probing the colossal intruder's core attributes, this chapter unravels its staggering scale and perplexing physics. Hale-Bopp reveals stark contrasts. No visible coma or tail, despite its velocity, challenging outgassing models. Experts simulate its journey through the interstellar medium, accounting for drag and radiation pressure. Yet anomalies persist, subtle course corrections that gravity alone cannot explain. The narrative delves into quantum vacuum theories and exotic propulsion hypotheses, drawing on peer-reviewed papers to ground the speculation in science. As astronomers model potential compositions, from carbon-rich aggregates to hypothetical dark matter influences, the object's silence in the electromagnetic spectrum deepens the intrigue. No radio signals, no optical flares, only a relentless advance. What hidden mechanisms drive this silent hunter, and how close must it get before revealing its intent? Evidence mounts of the gigantic object's predatory trajectory, transforming a cosmic curiosity into a potential threat. Orbital projections, refined through supercomputer simulations, demonstrate synchronized maneuvers. As 3I Atlas accelerates unpredictably, the pursuer mirrors with precision, closing the gap at a steady 5 kilometers per second. Doppler shifts in reflected signals confirm active tracking, while gravitational lensing effects distort background stars in patterns indicative of targeted navigation. This chapter scrutinizes the hunting behavior through dynamical systems analysis, comparing it to predator-prey models in ecology transposed to astrophysics. Could tidal forces or magnetic interactions explain the linkage, or does it imply intelligence? Historical analogues, such as the hypothetical Planet 9 influencing distant objects, are contrasted, highlighting the anomaly's uniqueness. Spectrotemporal data reveals intermittent energy bursts from the giant, correlating with 3I Atlas's evasive shifts, suggesting a communicative or coercive exchange. International collaborations pool resources, from ground-based arrays to orbital observatories to forecast intersection points, potentially near Jupiter's orbit in 2026. The scientific discourse weighs natural explanations like binary system remnants against speculative von Neumann probes, emphasizing empirical evidence over conjecture. Yet, as the distance narrows, tension escalates in observatories worldwide. If this is indeed a chase, what cataclysmic event awaits at their convergence? Signal voids for hidden patterns. The narrative examines interdisciplinary insights, from astrobiology's take on potential life seeding to physics grappling with faster-than-light influences. Earth's vulnerability comes into focus. A near miss could disrupt satellites or induce seismic events via gravitational waves. Archival searches for similar events in historical records yield tantalizing hints. Ancient myths of celestial hunters, but modern data demands rigor. As simulations predict outcomes, from collision debris scattering to energy releases rivaling supernovae, the mystery's scale underscores humanity's peripheral role in the universe. Unresolved spectra and trajectories fuel ongoing investigations, leaving the scientific community on edge. But in this vast hunt, is humanity merely a spectator, or unwittingly part of the prey? As observations accumulate, unresolved enigmas compound, challenging the foundations of astrophysics. Discrepancies in mass-to-volume ratios suggest metamaterials or multidimensional effects, while quantum entanglement theories propose linked behaviors across distances. This chapter synthesizes competing hypotheses: natural binary wanderers versus sentient artifacts, grounded in peer-reviewed critiques. International efforts intensify, with proposed missions to intercept, but technological limits loom. Ethical quandaries arise. Should we broadcast signals, risking exposure? The narrative probes philosophical undertones, questioning our isolation in the cosmos amid these visitors. Data from future telescopes like the extremely large telescope promise clarity, yet current ambiguities persist, from unmodeled accelerations to spectral ghosts. The pursuit's trajectory hints at a solar system flyby, offering a fleeting window for study. Scientists ponder long-term impacts, altered planetary orbits, or technological windfalls from debris. In this unfolding drama, the unknown beckons with both promise and peril. What ultimate revelation lies at the heart of this cosmic enigma, and will we decipher it in time?